Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel. If you are getting ready for the CA Inter exams in January 2025, then this is an important update. ICA has announced the schedule for mock test papers, also known as MTPs, for the CA Inter January 2025 exams. In today's video, I'll cover the MTP schedule and timings. But first, let's talk about some key strategies and tips that will help you get the most of these mock tests. So, whether this is your first time attempting an MTP or you're looking for better ways to approach them, stay tuned till end to fully prepare for the January 2025 CA Inter exams. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So, let's start with why mock tests are so critical. MTPs are one of the best ways to assess your preparation level and practice under real exam conditions. They give you a feel of the actual CA Inter exam experience, help you manage your time effectively, and identify weak areas you can work on before the actual exam. So you can think of mock tests as a rehearsal. The better you perform in these, the more confident you will feel on the actual exam day. ICI designs these mock test papers with exam style questions. So they are excellent practice. Now let's discuss some key tips to make the most out of each mock test attempt. So let's dive into some realistic practical tips on how to attempt mock test papers effectively. Treat it like the real exam. When you sit down for a mock test paper, take it as seriously as you do for the real exam. Avoid any distraction. Set up a quiet study environment and adhere strictly to the time limits. Imagine you are actually in the exam hall. This mindset will improve your focus and help you practice dealing with the exam day nerves. Next tip is stick to the exam timings. Follow the official exam timings for each subject. This means starting exactly at the scheduled time and finishing when the exam time's up. Avoid taking any breaks, as this will help you build stamina and train your mind and body to stay focused during the exam. Next tip is follow ICAI guidelines. This means using only ICAI permitted calculators and avoiding any study aids. Do not refer to any books while giving MTP. This will give you an authentic feel of the real exam and prepare you for the tools you will have at hand. Next key tip is practice time management. Divide your time wisely across the questions. So some questions may be more challenging. So allocate more time accordingly. Depending on the weightage of the marks, you can allocate time to each question. For example, if a question is worth more marks, give it the time it deserves. Developing this skill now will pay off greatly on the exam day. Review and analyze each attempt. After each mock test, review your answers and analyze any mistakes. Try to understand where you went wrong, whether it's due to lack of knowledge, time pressure, or careless mistakes. Revisiting your incorrect answers will help you correct misconceptions and improve before the actual exams. Build speed with conceptual clarity. Remember, speed comes from clarity. The clearer you are about concept, the faster you will be able to solve the questions. So if you find yourself struggling with speed, it may be time to go back and reinforce foundational knowledge. Simulate writing pressure. Practicing handwritten answers under time conditions are crucial. So get used to writing legibly, underlining key points and structuring your answers well. A well presented answers can make a good impression. So start practicing now. The next step is preparing yourself for the mock test paper results. Once you have taken a mock test, keep in mind that your scores might vary. Don't be disheartened by lower scores, as they are only a tool to guide your improvement. Use them to evaluate which topics or question types need more attention and adjust your study plan accordingly. Now let's move on to the actual schedule of the ICAI mock test papers for the CA Inter January 2025 exams. These mock test papers are structured in two series, giving you opportunities to practice each subject. So the mock test paper series 1 are starting from 18th November 2024 and mock test paper series 2 is starting from 9th December 2024. These mock test papers will be conducted both in physical and virtual modes. In case you are interested in appearing for the physical mode of the mock test papers, you can approach the respective branch in your area. Following are the schedule and timing. So series 1, 18 November 2024, paper 1 advanced accounting. 19 November 2024, paper 2 corporate and other laws. 20th November 2024, paper 3 taxation. 21st November 2024, paper 4 cost and management accounting. 22nd November 2024, paper 5 auditing and ethics. 23rd November 2024, paper 6 financial management and strategic management. The timing for all the subjects will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now coming to the schedule and timing of series 2. 9th December 2024, paper 1 advanced accounting. 10th December 2024, paper 2 corporate and other laws. 11th December 2024, paper 3 taxation. 12th December 2024, paper 4 cost and management accounting. 13th December 2024, paper 5 auditing and ethics. 14th December 2024, paper 6 financial management and strategic management. The timing is same as the first mock test paper, that is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The mock test paper question papers and the answers can be downloaded from the BOS Knowledge Portal and also from the ICAI BOS app. The link to register in this mock test will be given in the description below. You can register for this from the Student Activities portal. The question papers for each of the subject will be uploaded on the ICAI BOS Knowledge Portal every day by 1:30 p.m. You can download and attempt these papers within the stipulated time. And the answers to these will be uploaded within 48 hours from the date and time of the commencement of the respective paper. You can also compare your answers with the answers provided by the ICAI in order to self-assess your performance. So there you have it. You have a full schedule of 2 series of mock test papers. Remember, these mock test papers are designed to support your preparations. So make the most out of them by taking each one of them seriously. So before we wrap up, here are a few final reminders. Start early. Don't wait for the mock test paper dates to begin your serious preparation. Make sure you are thoroughly studying each subject so you are ready to attempt the mock test papers confidently. Set personal goals. For each mock test paper, set realistic goals based on your current strengths and areas you are working on. It's okay to aim high, but remember that mock tests are for practice and improvement. Self-belief. Self-belief is a powerful tool while attempting mock test papers for CA Inter exams. Trusting your knowledge and preparation allows you to approach each question with confidence, reducing anxiety and hesitation. Remember, mock test papers are designed to help you identify areas of improvement, not to judge your abilities. Even if you encounter tough questions, remind yourself that with every practice of mock test paper, you get closer to mastering the exams. Stay focused, stay positive, and believe that you have the capability to overcome any challenge that comes your way.
Believing in yourself is the foundation of achieving your dreams and aspirations. It means trusting your abilities, intuition, and resilience, even when faced with doubts or challenges. Self belief empowers you to take risks, pursue your passions, and overcome obstacles along the way. When you believe in yourself, you exude confidence, which inspires others and attracts opportunities. Remember, you are capable, worthy, and unique, with the potential to create a meaningful impact in the world. Cultivate self belief by celebrating your strengths, learning from failures, and surrounding yourself with supportive people who believe in your potential. With unwavering self belief, there is no limit to what you can accomplish.
Practice staying calm under pressure. Mock test paper helps simulate the actual exam environment. So use these opportunities to practice handling pressure. Deep breathing and time management may help you stay focused. Self-reflection after each test. Spend time after each mock test reflecting on your performance. Identify specific challenges, whether it's content gaps, time management, or exam anxiety, and work on them. With these mock test papers and a solid preparation strategy, you will be on track to perform well in your January 2025 CA Inter exams. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates, and also share the video with your fellow CA aspirants. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best with your mock test papers and the upcoming exams. Stay focused, stay confident, and keep practicing. I will see you all in the next video.